What's up, everybody? It's Gary here from SaferWholesale.com, and today we're doing a little video on the 200cc Zinger. Now, this one here, it's fuel injected, and it also has Bluetooth. So you've got your speaker right here, and then all your controls right here. Now, of course, it's street legal. It's got its turn signals. It's got its headlights, horn. You got your high beam, low beam. You also have, again, your kill switch, your electric start. Again, your disc brake in the front. You've got your drum brake in the back right here. This is a nice large 14-inch rim and tire on it, okay? So once again, disc brake in the front, speakers. It's got more storage space right here underneath the seat here, and then you could get your optional trunk as well. And you also do have a couple color options here in the Zinger. This one does come in the blue, the red, black, or white. Now, you do want to call for availability, as they do only come in select quantities. And also, again, this one comes fully assembled. Other competitors do not sell this scooter, or don't even sell this model, but they don't sell a 200cc scooter that will come fully assembled. SaferWholesale.com does. It's fuel injected. It's going to start up every time. And again, when you get it from out of the crate, all you got to do is put this trunk on, if it's, you know, the option that you choose, and then these mirrors right here, and that's going to be it. Now, again, shipping nationwide, 65 miles per hour will be the top speed. You may touch that 70, depending on the weight of the rider. You've got your regular kickstand here, and then your mechanic stand, and as well as the nice kickstart as well. And then, of course, we've got our pegs for our driver. Passenger in the back, driver in the front. Call us up, 866-606-3991, 4-stroke, 4-cylinder, well, 1-cylinder, 4-stroke gas-powered engine. Call us today. Get yours. SaferWholesale.com.